Good morning, dear listeners. Hope you all are well. So, dear listener, yesterday I have explained what is collective noun. When a noun stands for a collection of person or thing, it is called a collective noun. And yesterday we have done worksheet 5 and today we will do worksheet 6, which is given on page number 6. Given below is a collection of words. Let us see if you can put them in the correct blank. These are the words, collection words, and you have to write this word in the correct blank that I am going to explain you here. You will write down from here. Worksheet 6. Number 1. A pride of lions. What will you write? You will write lion on page number 6 in the blank. Number 2. A wardrobe of clothes. वॉर्ड्रॉप किसकी होती है भरी हुई? क्लोथ्स की. नंबर 3. अ suites of rooms. Number 4. A bouquet of flowers. Number 5. A team of players. Number 6. A pack of wolves. A pack of wolves. A pride of lions. Wardrobe of clothes. A suite of rooms. A bouquet of flowers. A team of players. A pack of wolves. Number 7 is a gang of robbers. A gang of robbers. So, you will write all these collective noun on page number 6. Now, I am going to discuss worksheet 7. Give one word for the group of words given in bold in each of the statements given below. Take the help of the 8 box. There is a 8 box and you will take help from this box that I am going to explain here. Worksheet 7. Number 1. A line of people waiting for their turn to get into a bus. A line of people waiting for their turn to get into a bus, that is queue. Q U E U E. That is known as queue. The line of people waiting for their turn to get into a bus is queue. Number 2. A group of people waiting a show, attending a lecture. A group of people watching a show, attending a lecture. That is audience. A U D I E N C E, audience. A group of people watching a show, attending a lecture is audience. Number 3, Rahul saw a large group of red colored fishes in the aquarium. So Rahul saw a large group of red colored fish in the aquarium. That is known as shoal. SHOAL, shoal. Now, 4, a group of parents and children waiting at the dining table for the food to be served. A group of parents and the children waiting at the dining table for food to be served. And this is called family. FMILY, family. The group of parents and children waiting at the dining table for the food to be served is family. 5th, all the teachers in a school attending a meeting with the principal. All the teachers in a school attending a meeting with the principal. And group of teacher is known as staff. We will write staff. STAFF, staff. STAFF, staff. All the teacher in a school attending a meeting with the principal, staff. 6th, a group of monkey perched on a wall in a zoo. So group of monkey is called troop. TROOP, trooped. So dear student, all these words which we have filled are collective nouns. Now I am going to discuss do it yourself, which is given on page number 8. What will you do? Read the given below and put them in the correct box. That you will do it by yourself. You will choose the name of the person, place, animal, bird and things. Fine. Now I am going to discuss exercise 2. Match the following with your collection. match the following with your collection. Number 1, exercise number 1, you will do it by yourself. A troop of, we know troop of monkey. Then a litter of puppies. A flock of sheeps. A gaggle of geese. A herd of elephant. And a swarm of flies. So you will match all these collected nouns which is given on page number 8. So dear student, that's all for the day. You will do all these activity on your English practice book. Tomorrow we will discuss fill in the blanks and exercise A 3, 4 and 5. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.